You know, it's not often I get to sit down and rock my cares away at an auto show, but I just feel so at home here because Mercedes-Benz is going to offer a new camper van and they're going to sell it in America. The Metris Weekender is a versatile schlepper that seats up to 5 people, though it's technically only designed to sleep 4 adults, so I guess somebody's getting left out in the elements. Inside, there's a multi-purpose rear bench seat that transforms into a bed for 2 people. Now, the front seats actually swivel 180 degrees, transforming this van into a lounge, a mobile conference room, or maybe even a great place to host your next Dungeons & Dragons tournament. Topside, there is a pop-up roof, and when it's deployed, it provides enough room for 2 more people to rest their heads on a 2-inch thick memory foam mattress. Now, there are 3 windows up there and some USB ports so they can keep their all-important electronic devices fully charged. Under the hood, you'll find a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. It delivers 208 horsepower, and it's matched to a 7-speed automatic transmission. On the options menu, you can equip this van with integrated solar panels plus upgraded audio and navigation features. Beyond all of that, Mercedes-Benz is offering various 3M body wraps up to 200 different colors. You can even get an 8-foot awning for protection against the elements, plus a mosquito net and even a pull-out rear kitchen. The Mercedes-Benz Metris Weekender is spacious inside and plenty maneuverable, so agile in fact, you'll be able to park one in your garage starting this spring. They can be ordered from any authorized Mercedes-Benz Vans dealership. Now, pricing has not been announced just yet, but I have it on good authority. They're going to start right around 70 grand. That's nice.